everyone, this is CS Harshadan Gaikwad from HGPA. A big announcement coming from ICA is that the CA Foundation examinations have been postponed. Due to the Bihar elections, the revised dates for CA Foundation examinations are from 19th to 25th of November. Now let me tell you one thing, now these revised dates are for everyone and not only for the students of Bihar. Okay, so to be very precise, it is 19th, 21st, 23rd and 25th of November. It is a golden opportunity to all the CA Foundation students to study more stronger and to score more marks than ever before. Well, you have ample of time now and you can give that test series which you had been waiting for. Point number 2 in that notification also states that opt-out facility on self-declaratory basis, that means on voluntary basis. If any student has been tested positive, the student can apply on voluntary basis to ICAI stating that to carry forward her or his examinations to May 2021 examinations. All the exemptions, all the fees will be carried forward as it is. Okay, so this is the latest news from ICAI, and also to all the CA Foundation students out there, HGPA has launched test series for all the CA Foundation students across India. So if anyone's interested for that CA Foundation test series, you can WhatsApp your name on the number given in the description below. Okay, thank you so much for watching.